everybody. This is Mohammad Siddique from Tokyo Consulting Firm Bangladesh. Today I am going to discuss about the role of a manager. What is the role play in the workplace, in the organization? What is the responsibility? What is the responsibility and duty properly? And how to help to the top management and how to help to the subordinate and expand their responsibility. Today I will discuss about this issue. First of all, I have the three categories is of the top management, second is middle management, and third is lower management. Generally, top management division is the general manager, GM, or country manager. And second is the middle management division or the position is the manager or assistant manager, and last it is the lower management. So the lower management means who is the player of the operational activities. Generally, it is the player of the lower management. He or she tied to his responsibility upper management. So lower management. Area. Part of he will be a skilled person, and he or she will be knowledgeable person, and he or she will be experienced person. And another thing, top management role is the take the decision, and he wants to set the good strategy for the company. And the other hand, in the middle management role in the here, he helps to the top management for the proper decision. Proper decision means the good strategy with the establish their decision by implement by the lower management. So lower management, of course, will be a skilled person, knowledgeable and experienced person. In this case, this diagram we say lower management have some role in the organization. First of all, he get the order from customer and provide to the service within time and with the client and get and provide the service within time. And after that, invoicing. And then he provide get the money. He get the money from the client. This cycle, it is the player by the lower management. On the other hand, top management, in the lower management have their use of the body. Lower management always will be busy for their activity, and his job is fixed. He or she job is always fixed, and he always physically activities in the client, and he always try to the cooperation with the client and corresponding with the time, and have any queries. He always try with the busy and physically in of the client. So in that time, we have asked any question. You have asked question: what is the role of the middle management? What is the role of the top management? After already I have explained my top management role, and then explain the middle management. Middle management have two roles. First of all, he helped to the top management for the take any decision. Second role is he helps to the lower management increase the productivity. He tried to their lower management, their activity increase and productivity increase than previously. I have also informed that lower management have one person. His position is the superior. He control to the lower management, and on the other hand, middle management, of course, sometimes we saw that middle management, of course, control to the lower management. It means you are the manager of lower management. So I think that middle management, two sides help. Upper side help to the decision making, and on the other hand, lower management help to the increase the productivity. So in this case, another important thing, lower management, of course, physically activity of the body. In another hand, top management and middle management use their brain. It means he or she always busy the corresponding with the client, but they are busy of their brain use. They are busy of their being used for their company control. How is they control? They take the decision making and take the new strategy for the company. Who is the growth the company then first. So it is the first. And another important thing is company life cycle. It is very important for the company life cycle. Company life cycle is there. 4 stages. First stage is introduction. Second stage is growth. Third stage is maturity, and fourth stage is the decline. In the graph, we can see in first stage introduction how it is the introduction in the any company in Bangladesh or overseas. In that time, top management, GM or country manager establish the any subsidiary company in the any country. Their main role is of the introduce the company. In this case, employee quantity is very low. He take the make decision properly and establish the company. At that time, he tried to the proper decision, subsidiary sustainable goal for the establish the company. In that time, in the stage help to the middle management. How you can help and middle management? If any top management take the decision, he try to establish by lower management, but in that case, is the few employee. In this case, in this action, lower management action, in this stuff implement the middle management, and middle management establish the any take decision by the top management. If we say in established stage, we shall take the stages and implementation. So this introduction is very important for the company life cycle. In second stage, we saw the growth. Second stage, it is very important for the every company life cycle. In that time, we saw some company hire the people for lower management. Lower management also will be a skilled person, knowledgeable person, and experienced person. In this case, middle management use the lower management. lower management. In that time, we saw that lower management, their experience and knowledge implement the work institution. How they increase? They that time is the cooperation with the client, and invoicing, and that time adopt this case in the goal stage. If both stage, middle management take the good sustainable take the sustainable stage, of course, both stage would be up to high. If do not take the good sustainable goal, in this case, do not after that the growth than before. So we can say both skills are important for the company. In that next stage of the maturity. In maturity stage, we saw that every company play their role, and top management, middle management, and lower management. In the growth time, we saw if any product or service do not expand their client, in this case, maturity stage low. If this stage, in this stage, maturity of the introduction of the anything in the high stage, it means innovation. In maturity state, if any company take the innovation or take the good decision, of course, their maturity will be high. It means in maturity state, top management take the another responsibility, take the good decision. Of course, their life cycle will be changed. Another thing will not be changed. It means this state, of course, three parties play the role properly. In this case, the life cycle is the expand. Life cycle will be expand. If do not take the any good decision in and the not placing in the station, in this case, you have the life cycle will be decline. So maturity is very important for the other stages. And that time, decline means of the last stage. If any company, mother company, take the decision, the subsidiary company will be decline between of the close, and that time or that time will be closed. But before the maturity stage, I want to know. Sorry, I want to explain another thing. In this stage, of course, will be cash flow or cash fund available. If top management take the decision of the reinvestment, another things in this case, their business will be expand. Another is not possible. So I want to say maturity stage is very logic and important stage for the top management, middle management, and lower management. It is the company life cycle. And another important thing, everyone knows that what is urgent, what is important. And one, I can say one sentence, urgent is the priority job. And another important is the not priority but important. We can do it later, but urgent is now and priority job. So we saw that as Parthenokaisi said that an urgent job in our company, basically in terms of the 90% job is urgent, 90% with the play in present. %90 job is urgent, and it is a priority job, and another is the important. Who is important? Important means future development. This is of course important, but you can do later, and it is help to the company establish for the long time. So a 10% job is important for the company. So if this 90% job is do lower management. If lower management, he or she will do properly 90% job, of course it will hit in the sale and turnover. If lower management do not do this job, in this case hit in the sale and turnover. So lower management have main responsibility, their experience, skill established in the 90% job, and another 10% job, it is the related to the top management. It means company future development. They take decision for the how to change their environment, how to change company rules regulation for the change of the company environment. This is the 10% job. It is need for important, but it is not urgent for the company, because client want to the urgently any job. Of course, he or she do not have feedback, and that time they have lost their job. So 10% is very important and urgent for the client. So I want to say today, my message for all top management, middle management, and lower management, each play proper role in the job station. Of course, any company established in long time, and he will be expand their business, and any other business he can do if take the good decision and good strategy. Thank you, everyone.